I have for some time debated whether I should buy or build a disc sander. In the meantime, I've come up with a solution that saves me space and money. I've purchased one of these sanding disc inserts for my drill a while ago, and I'm using it frequently for any kind of sanding job. And it just so happens that my drill stand has a tilting mechanism where I can tilt the drill by 90 degrees. Now I can insert the sanding disc and I've built myself a very simple table that goes into my vise. And thanks to this table that I can move, I have a basic disc sander with a table, where I can even adjust the angle by adjusting the angle on my drill stand. I can adjust the height by moving the drill stand up and down, and that way I can do just about any sanding job that would usually require a disc sander. Of course, the disadvantage is that the disc is pretty small, but it works okay for my purposes.